This casserole has a 5-minute prep, and you are going to be using some stovetop stuffing. And I'm going to just pour the whole package into this bowl. And then on top of this, I am going to add 1 stick of melted butter. So I just stir this together until it's completely incorporated. And then I'm going to take half of this and set it aside. I'm going to put it right back into that same measuring cup so that I do not end up dirtying another dish. Now I take some sour cream, and I've got about half of a container here, and I am adding that right into my mixing bowl. And then I am going to add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. So now I'm just going to stir all of that together really super well. Now I've got some pre-cooked chicken here, and all I did to cook this chicken was just boil a large package of boneless chicken so I would have it for the week. And I'm going to put, I don't know, about half that chicken in here. The recipe says 4 breasts, but I don't think I used quite that much. And then I'm going to just stir that really well all together. My chicken was room temperature. If your chicken isn't, then pop that into the microwave and just warm that a little bit so that it's not ice cold, because that will make it a faster cook time in the oven. Now I'm pouring it into a 9x13 pan that has been greased, and I'm going to just make sure that that is spread evenly across the pan. And then all I am going to do is put my leftover stuffing mix right over the top, evenly spread. Now I'm going to put this into a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes, and I still have all of this chicken left that I will be using in an upcoming video. I'm just cooking white rice with this and warming a can of corn up in the microwave. And here is the delicious casserole finished. And here it is on the plate. And you can see how well it was loved. This one was so easy, and my family just really enjoyed it. Thank you again, Maria, for submitting this recipe. And I will say that you could serve this with a can of cranberry sauce if you had some, but unfortunately, I didn't have any. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I will have the link to the collaboration playlist in the description box. Bye.